Good morning, everyone. So, somebody made a comment on one of my posts, my recent posts, that they wanted me to start adding some recipes on what I eat to lose some weight. So, today's video, I'm going to make my smoothie that I have every morning. It consists of frozen bananas, strawberries, a scoop of protein powder. I'll tell you the protein powder that I use, and water and some flaxseed. That's it. It's what I drink every morning. So let's dive down. We're going to put our hair up and we'll be back. Okay, so now yesterday I had bananas that were getting ready to go spoil. So instead of making banana bread, I cut them up in little pieces, put them on a small cookie sheet, and put them in the freezer. If you see me going cross-eyed, it's because I don't know where to look. Anyway, put them on a cookie sheet, put them in the freezer to freeze. Then you store them in a Ziploc bag. I do them with the strawberries also. This is my flaxseed. I'm going to be throwing that in. And then we'll do water. That is it. That's your recipe list. Now we're going to dive in. So here's my 1 cup measuring cup. Bring it over there. I'm going to be putting the rest of these bananas in the Ziploc bag for after, but I just wanted to show you what I do. So 1 cup of bananas. Throw that back there. Throw that back there. Now the strawberries, I only put 2 in, so these are halved. So I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here's a tiny one that fell. The tiny one goes in. Now the flaxseed I normally grind up first in my old coffee grinder, but today we're just gonna throw 1 tablespoon into my cup, and I store these in the freezer. So now I just put water into it until it fills up to this line. I use spring water. Be right back. So this video is not sponsored, but this is the protein powder that I use. It's UMP Beverly. I'll have this linked down below to where you can find it. You just use, I have 2 scoops in here, so one's getting in the way. Hang on. All you need is 1 level scoop. Throw that in. Put your mixing top on. I used the Ninja blender. I'll put a link to where you can find that also. Give it a quick shake. And pause you 1 quick second to reposition you. So this is the blender that I use. It's the Ninja blender. Give it a quick shake. Pop that one on, turn it on, and I just usually hit the extract. Okay, so this is done blending. I usually tap it at the top just to get everything back down on the bottom. Let's bring you back over here. I don't know if I like this new camera setup I got going. Okay, I gotta back up. So, open your lid. It's a little tough. Listen. It's all the air releasing. Take your top off. Here's my other straws. That's my straw drawer. Take a nice straw. Good stuff. The protein powder is vanilla, so you get a taste of the vanilla. We'll wait for my scanner. You can taste the banana, the strawberry. You don't taste the flaxseed. And this is what I drink every morning to help. I go for my mile walk. I'm going to start my walks again. I threw out my back a couple weeks ago, so it's finally feeling better. And this what works for me. I don't remember in my last video if I also mentioned I am on something else, but it's controversial, so we will not talk about that. Also, 40 ounces of water. I usually drink 2 of these a day, and that's what helps with me. So if you want to go down a weight loss journey, this is what helps. I've been on it since December of this year, and down to, what am I down? 30 pounds now, I think so. I'll have to check. I'll let you know in the next video that I do. But that's it. I don't want to make this too long of a video, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not, and you know I always say if you don't want to, don't. It doesn't matter. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. Bye.